Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to adjust your background image if you want to make it either fit or fill, center or stretch, search style or span different wallpapers. I show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side select the personalization. On right side select the background and scroll down guys. Here is choose a fit for your desktop image. Just select that, and if you want to fill this desktop, you can fill it, or you can fit this desktop that has in more space available here. You just need to choose another image to get fit in this desktop. You can also choose a sender. You can also choose style or anything like it. You can choose it like this guys. That's up to your choice. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.